SSE Olympus Deluxe Water TG-7 Digital Camera Bundle Review. Rugged, waterproof, adventure-proof. Ever felt that sinking frustration when your gear fails mid-adventure? You're standing at a waterfall, perfect light everywhere, and your camera just won't survive the mist. I've been there too. That moment changes everything. So many of us know that exact feeling. What's your biggest frustration been with cameras outdoors? Drop your story below. Let's talk about this. Here's the real weight of it. Missed shots pile up. Deadlines slip past. That quiet burnout creeps in when you've wasted hours protecting fragile equipment instead of creating. Your stomach knots every time spray hits the lens. The stress becomes almost physical. But imagine something different. Picture genuine control, clarity, and creative freedom without the constant chaos of worrying about damage. Don't just pick any rugged camera. Make sure it has true waterproof durability to 15 meters so you avoid the heartbreak of water damage destroying irreplaceable footage. The SSE Olympus Deluxe Water TG-7 Digital Camera Bundle delivers exactly this breakthrough protection. This changes everything. Beyond survival specs, you're getting stunning 4K video capture, microscope macro modes focusing down to 1 centimeter, and a complete 23-piece accessory kit, including that critical spare battery and 64GB Pro memory card. One travel photographer nearly missed her assignment deadline during a monsoon shoot in Thailand. Her previous camera flooded completely. With the TG-7, she captured every frame through torrential rain, delivered early, and landed 3 more contracts. The crush-proof build handles 100 kilogram pressure. The freeze-proof rating survives -10 degrees. GPS logging tracks every location automatically. Focus stacking creates impossibly sharp macro details. Built-in image stabilization smooths handheld footage beautifully. Here's a small bonus most reviewers miss. That dual-pane anti-fog glass clears instantly between extreme temperatures. The efficiency cascade runs deeper than basic toughness. Workflow improves when you stop babysitting fragile gear. Focus sharpens when equipment handles chaos for you, worth understanding fully. Outdoor photography analyst Joshua Waller notes the TG-7 makes a great choice for those needing something surviving all environments while delivering raw shooting capability. Travel vlogger testimonials confirm underwater shots come out vibrant and clear, with included accessories making huge differences during long expeditions. Industry analysts recognize Olympus continues dominating the rugged compact market because durability meets genuine 4K video performance. One verified customer mentioned dropping theirs on rocks and using it through snow without issues, calling the bundle perfect for outdoor trips. Some wonder whether a compact sensor truly delivers professional results. Fair question. The 12-megapixel BSI CMOS paired with that fast f2 aperture and TruePic 8 processor punches well above expectations, especially shooting RAW for post-processing flexibility. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. What specific adventure would you trust this camera with first? The sensor shift stabilization alone handles conditions that would blur footage on lesser cameras completely. Here's the straightforward truth. This bundle exists for creators who refuse letting environment dictate their creative limits. Results may vary based on conditions, but the protection is absolute. Join the many adventure photographers already experiencing smoother workflows and fewer ruined shoots. No gimmicks here. The 23-piece kit means you're genuinely ready immediately. Waterproof confidence, macro precision, and 4K capability combine into one reliable package. Click the link below and experience the difference this rugged bundle brings to your creative adventures today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.